Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and if you've made it so far, that's definitely an achievement. The materials in this course are not the easiest ones, and there were a lot of opportunities to leave the course, but still you decided that you're going to be committed and you've made it so far to this point. And for that, I want to tell you, well done. You've also passed the string section successfully, and now there is just a little bit left to finish this section. So let's get ready, get yourself something nice to drink, and let's start with our awesome milestone. So this milestone involves strings, and particularly what we have to do is to write a program that checks whether a string entered by the user is a palindrome or not. And a palindrome is simply a term that says that if we read a given string from left to right, as we usually do, and if we read the same string from right to left, starting from the rightmost element up to the leftmost element, then we will see that both the strings will be the same. So, for example, if we take the word, let's say noon, and we can see that if we will read it from the left to the right, we will get the word noon. But also if we will read this word from right to left, okay, starting from the rightmost element to the left one, we will see also the same word, which is noon. And what this means is that this specific string, noon, is actually a palindrome. So there may be a lot of different strings which are palindrome, noon is one of them. But if we take the word, let's say tech, okay, this is our new string, and we read it from right to left or from left to right, we will get different strings. So this means that the word tech is not a palindrome. So once again, if we are to, let's say, summarize what a palindrome is, we can say that a palindrome is simply when a string equals to its reverse string. Is that clear? And the last note for palindromes that I want you to know and to actually refer when you're writing your program is that palindromes can be of an even or an odd length. For example, we've seen that the word noon is of an even length and it's actually a palindrome. And if we take the word, let's say wow, which is of an odd length, we can see that it's also a palindrome. We can read it from right to left or from left to right, and we still get the same word, meaning that's a palindrome. So make sure that you support both of these options, both that strings may be palindrome, even if the strings are even or odd length. So once again, what you have to do is to write a program that simply checks if a given string is palindrome or not, and basically based on the result, your program should print a corresponding message. Now, there is more than just one way to solve it, so give it a try, guys. I know you can do it, and I'll see you in the next video.